In this video, we will show you how to find broadcast list in WhatsApp. If you can see here, if the WhatsApp have the broadcast list like this, you will hard to find where is your broadcast list because I have more than one broadcast contact. So you can find manually by find this icon. This is the hard method, okay, and I will show you the easiest method. And this is you need to find manually like this. Okay, this is your broadcast contact. To make the broadcast contact easily to find, you can just create the broadcast with some identical the name of all of your broadcasts. For example, you put my in front of the name each of your broadcast contacts. Okay, so you can just find easily by typing the search button. For example, you can just type my. So in here, you will find all of your broadcasts. After you creating the name of your broadcast with my, you can just directly give with some identifying like friends and customer and another name you want. So you can just type my and the broadcast will appear look like this. And how can you rename your broadcast list? For example, we will rename the first broadcast. Okay, just click the broadcast here, and in here just click this and select broadcast list info. Then you can click this button again and change broadcast list name. For example, after you type my, you can just type friends for the name. Okay, and this my, you will easy to find the broadcast list in your WhatsApp. Just click OK. And when you type my in here, you can see, for example, you can rename the broadcast to my dash customer, my dash family, look like that. And that's all tutorial how to find broadcast list in WhatsApp. Hope this video helpful for you.